All right, tell me what you're doing.
I'm going to connect this piece of conduit onto this other piece of conduit here so that we can run our power from our solar panels there over here to where that box there is. We're going to tap through there and then tie into our main circuit breaker so we can have a grid-tied solar system.
Do you need this other piece?
Do you want the small one?
Say again?
Do you want the small one?
Well, I don't know. I can't see. I think this, give me the small one and the elbow and I'll see where it lands and then we'll go from there. But I'll probably need a coupler too. And Tracy,
yeah.
Tracy, the coupler, right inside the garage door.
Yeah.
Up on those wire racks.
Wait, that elbow.
Oh wait, that one may have a coupler on
it. It does have a coupler on it.
Cool. Probably be safer to go the other way.
Yeah.
And then up on that wire rack is a saw.
Got a cat in my way.
Thank you, sweetie. That is almost perfect.
Do you need something else? A longer
I
one?
need that saw because I want to bring it up like right.
Was Mom getting the saw or is there another saw?
I don't know.
Where is it?
There's a black case right on those wire racks, and it's sitting right up there. The handle is black, so it's gonna be black on black, so it's gonna be hard to see.
Cool. On the wire racks?
Yeah, right in there's some shelves.
Oh, in the garage?
In the garage.
Oh, okay.
Right around there. Right about all that.
Oh, is that piece just attached to it?
Yeah, it's a coupler. This is a coupler. And now I gotta cut this here, put this on there. And that should be damn near perfect.
Are you tired of me wearing your shoes?
I mean, I told you they're my dress shoes.
Did you see that wrinkle that just formed on my foot?
No.
Squishing my foot in. Ah! Mom!
Thank you.
Seemed like it.
Right down in my boot. And there you go. I gotta cut a piece off that, about 3 feet, stick it up here.
Here, hold the camera and show that other side it's connecting to.
I don't know what that means, but
what you're connecting that conduit to on the other side.
Other side, defined side?
Your left side.
Okay. Well, I'm not connecting it to anything.
Well, but like, it's reaching to something. We're trying to get to a certain length to get to what?
Okay, so the conduit comes in here, and I put a 90-degree elbow there. It's gonna come straight up here, and this here is the main power feed into the house. And then right here, I have to put a couple of boxes. One is the PV meter for the solar system, and then an emergency disconnect. So I'll put those right there, then it'll go through the wall there, and then tie into the panel on the backside of that right there.
These tomato plants were sacrificed for the cause. Rest in peace.